then Fadilah. I'm from to class 3C accounting. How are you all? I'm thinking of fine, yes. Here I will tell you a detail about my experience for the hiking mountain Artapela, because it is my first experience for the first to mountain Artapela. This is actually a bit embarrassing, but I have to tell you. One day, my friends and I decided to off hiking go to mountain Artapela. We had experience the prepare and decide go up the mountain next day. I turned on 10 way out train to go treat if you are go hiking to mountain. It's not easy, Ferguson, but even so is fun, heavy. This is best experience and makes to love mountain.